The mantis, commonly known as the praying mantis, has captivated the scientific community for its extraordinary biological features and cunning predatory instincts. Despite its deceptive appearance of stillness, the mantis proves to possess a remarkable level of intelligence and comprehension. This video delves into the multifaceted nature of the mantis, exploring its cognitive abilities, intricate hunting techniques, and unique reproductive strategies. One. Intelligence in an unassuming exterior. Underestimating the mantis based on its slender physique would be a grave mistake. Researchers have discovered that this seemingly delicate insect exhibits an impressive level of intelligence that rivals much larger and more complex organisms. 2. Visual acuity and processing skills. One of the primary reasons behind the mantis's predatory prowess lies in its highly developed visual system. Equipped with compound eyes capable of panoramic vision, the mantis effectively scans its surroundings, enabling it to detect and react swiftly to any potential threats or prey. 3. Impeccable camouflage and mimicry. Apart from its acute visual senses, the mantis possesses astounding intelligence when it comes to mimicry and camouflage. Certain species flawlessly blend into their environment, hiding in plain sight from unsuspecting prey while remaining virtually undetectable to predators. 4. Calculated hunting techniques. The mantis exhibits masterful hunting skills that exhibit a surprising level of intellect. It assumes a characteristic motionless stance, holding its forelimbs poised and ready to strike with lightning speed once potential prey enters its range. 5. Problem-solving abilities. Studies have demonstrated that the mantis can adapt and employ problem-solving strategies. Observations reveal that the mantis can navigate complex obstacles to reach prey, exhibiting a capacity for spatial awareness and strategic planning. 6. Learning from experience. In an astounding display of comprehension, the mantis can learn from its past experiences. Researchers have shown that they adjust their hunting tactics based on successful or failed attempts, showcasing a certain level of cognitive understanding and learning capacity. 7. Complex communication systems. Beyond its hunting prowess, the mantis displays intricate forms of communication. Through the use of pheromones and visual cues, mantises can attract mates and communicate crucial information about their readiness for reproduction. 8. Extraordinary reproductive strategies. The mantis's intelligence extends to its reproductive behavior. Females display a remarkable ability to determine optimal conditions for successful breeding, including selecting mates based on specific criteria, such as size, fitness, and courtship rituals. 9. Innate knowledge and nurturing instincts. Upon hatching, mantis nymphs showcase an innate comprehension of their environment. They instinctively adopt hunting postures, suggesting that they possess a degree of innate knowledge or genetic programming. 10. A case of ecosystem prowess. By uncovering the intelligence of the mantis, we gain a deeper understanding of the intricacies of nature's web and the importance of respecting even seemingly insignificant organisms. Every component of an ecosystem plays a vital role, and the mantis is more than just an elegant predator. It is a testament to the complexity and intelligence found in our natural world. The mantis stands as an emblem of remarkable intelligence and comprehension in the insect realm. From its exceptional visual acuity and ability to mimic its surroundings to its calculated hunting techniques and capacity for problem solving, the mantis exemplifies an intricate cognitive prowess that defies its diminutive size. By further investigating the fascinating intelligence of the mantis, we gain valuable insights into the intricate tapestry of the natural world and develop a profound appreciation for even the smallest creatures that inhabit our shared planet. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.